Hi guys, wanted to hop on really quickly and show you my scent of the day. I'm testing this out to see if I like it. If I love it or find a better version, you'll probably see this in a favorites. If not, then it'll just be scent of the day. So in the shower, regular hygiene, and I actually used Bath and Body Works Into the Night um, body wash, and then I moisturized with Our Body Butter Redwood, which is just sandalwood and Egyptian musk. So love that scent. Very delicious, unisex, amazing. Um, it's one of my favorites of the ones that we make. And then I topped it off when I out of the shower with my body spray. This is Bath and Body Works Dream Bright, and it's according to Bath and Body Works, it smells like a floral fruity fragrance, dream come true, brilliant, unforgettable, and bold. The fragrance notes are sapphire berries, night blooming orchid, and crystal vanilla. So if you can't find this, I think a good substitute would either be Go With Into the Night, which is always there, and then Dark Kiss is a retired scent that has recently been online only. I haven't seen it in the store. I think those are some good alternatives if you don't have Dream Bright, but I have Dream Bright and haven't really used it that much and wanted to see if I can find a way to kind of use it. I don't not like it, but it's not a love. I don't just grab for it, and so this is my kind of way of trying to grab for it more. And then my perfume of the day is Raghba by Lattafa. I love this scent. I also really love ouds. And so the main accords for this are vanilla, sweet, oud, amber, powdery, balsamic, smoky, woody, warm, spicy, musky. And the notes for Raghba are vanilla, sugar, oud or agarwood, incense, sandalwood, and musk. And so this is my scent of the day. I know that I like Raghba with redwood, but again, I'm trying to figure out a way to use Dream Bright more and see how, I can really incorporate it and how I like it. So this is my scent of the day. If I really love this, I'll probably do a favorites. If not, then, I'll use up Dream Bright and keep it moving. So that's it for today. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check out some of our other scents of the days and our layering combo playlist. And that's it. See you guys at the next one. Bye.